Welcome to the History of Policies. In today's show, we'll be looking at the Australian white policy and how that has changed Australia. So let's bounce into the past and take a look at the history of the Australian white policy. The white policy had its ups and downs, but the reason why the government created the Australian white policy was to keep out non-white people from entering Australia. The Australian white policy also had an upgrade to it, which was called the dictation test. The dictation test was to see if white people could speak European languages. The bosses took control and they could choose any language they want, making it really hard to pass. In 1919, Phil Hughes shook the world with his speech. The white policy is the greatest thing we have ever achieved. They also made a game which was to get the non-white people out of Australia and the white people into Australia. In the 1950s to the 1970s, this is when they started to protest against the Australian white policy and when the dictation test finished. Thank you for watching the History of Policies and tune in next time.